I think social media plays a real challenge when it comes to schools, as we know the algorithms behind the scene and how it pulls our kids in to holding their attention maybe longer than they intended to provide for it. So I think it comes with setting expectations, establishing the classroom rules and expectations, and engaging them in a way so that we're more interesting than social media, and what we're learning is really vital. And that's certainly not an easy thing to do, but I believe step one is setting clear, high expectations for our kids and giving them a path that they can follow them. Well, I think one of the things I actually learned through our partnership with Smart Social as a parent was the limits that I can place on my children's iPhone, from screen time to social media time and access, and really narrow down how long each day and when it turns off for them every day. I think from a parent side, it becomes really important just to know what you don't know and take the steps necessary to arm yourself so that you can have really meaningful conversations with your child about not only the dangers, the great things that can happen, the risks that are there, and how we can keep a healthy balance in terms of screen time versus responsibilities in the home versus doing your homework versus activities outside. Because once you get on TikTok, time flies by like that, and it's hard to get back. I think the first step is Josh Oakes and his team have been really responsive to us. They kind of tailor-made the helpline to meet our needs for two-way conversation, and built our response mechanism, and that's been really helpful for us. I say just engage, have a conversation, and see if it fits your district's needs, because I can tell you in a partner, you're going to find someone who wants to work with you and will personalize the process. All right, well, I'm certainly not the expert on Instagram or Finstagram. What I've learned from Josh is there's a way that in the Instagram app, tapping on the picture in the bottom right-hand corner and then tapping on the name at the top left corner, you'll find how many different accounts exist under a different app. And your child can have up to 5 different alternate users within that one Instagram account. And those are what our kids are using to bully, to have conversations with people that could be dangerous. And as a parent, it's our responsibility to be sure that we're having conversations with our kids, but also looking at their phone and checking out what the content is. Yes, there are rights to privacy, but we have a responsibility to keep them safe, and sometimes that comes through a tough conversation that falls in line with those high expectations that we set.